Hi, I'm Kamini Patel on IFN Vegetarian. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for notifications for my new videos. Today's recipe is going to be a stuffed whole tomato bhajiya. So first I'm going to core my whole tomato, and then with a scooper I gently core out the center. So I've managed to get all the pulp out, and now I'm going to just place them ulta. Turn on the heat on low. Start with a teaspoon of oil, vegetable. So first I'm going to add my mustard seeds, about a teaspoon, 7 to 8 curry leaves, pinch of hing, and onions. Just coat the onions once with all the flavorings and then let it cook until they're translucent. Now I'll add my green chili and ginger paste. Now I'm going to add in my potatoes, 1 cup mash. I also want to add my salt and shredded coconut. So my filling is ready, and place it in a bowl to let it cool. I'm going to switch on the heat to my oil. So first I add besan. To that I'll add a little salt, a pinch of baking soda, some red chili powder, and some turmeric. And to make the batter, I need some drinking water. So the thinner the batter, the crispier. You want to whisk as much as possible to remove lumps so that it coats your tomatoes nicely. So I'm going to set my batter aside, bring back my tomato filling. I'm going to stir in some fresh coriander leaves. This just adds a little more freshness to it. And now I'm going to fill my tomatoes with the filling. So you just take about 2 to 3 tablespoons and gently stuff it in. We're ready. Now we're going to dip the entire tomato into the batter. You have to ensure that the open part is well coated. So the trick here, immediately put it into the hot oil. The tomato skin is very smooth, so it doesn't hold on as well. So you want to flip them over halfway. I'm going to gently put it on my paper towel. So there you have the stuffed tomato bhajiya. I hope you like this video of the stuffed tomato bhajiya. Don't forget to like, share, and comment here, and subscribe to IFN Vegetarian.